Okay, so I've logged in as a standard user, and on the left hand side you'll see that we're missing a couple of options. Billing is not here, the users are not here. Standard user cannot create new users. We do have servers, paths, the designer is also here. ConnectWise settings have been removed, and in global settings, I'll just open this up for a moment. The page is reorganized a little bit, and that removes a couple of the settings that are what we consider more administrative options. So the company logo is stored here, and the other thing that was missing is the default settings, the settings for the backup grace period, the offline grace period, and the organizational time zone. So whatever default time zone your company uses is set here, and is also missing for the standard user. Those tend to be things that you would set once and forget, and so even as an administrator, you would come in and set those things up in the beginning, and typically you won't have to change those as time goes on. Okay, let's get logged in as Milton, our accountant, who is in the billing role, and we'll see what the billing role looks like. So the billing role is similar to the administrative role, and what is missing in the billing role is users. Billing users cannot create new users in the system. They have access to clients and servers and paths like normal. The designer is gone. There's no need for somebody in your accounting department to be working in the designer. They have options in ConnectWise, so they can set up ticketing and fix any sync issues. And they also have the support. So they are missing the global settings from this. And the global settings would normally be just above the support. Okay, next up, we are going to log in as a client. This is a client of VenumWorks that was created as a user in the system, and so they can log in and check on their backups. When I log in as a standard user, you'll see that I have the logo set up here. In the top left, I see that. If the client logo is not added, I would see my MSP logo, and if there was no MSP logo, I would see the default Evolocity Labs logo. We have a video on logos, and if you'd like to learn all about them, you can view that video. It shows and walks you through on when these logos are displayed to the different user roles. But the client users only have a couple of options open to them. Their dashboard, which is where we're at now, they can see their trending, their billable storage, and whether they have any issues. And reports. So if we go to reports, they can come in and set up a report for themselves, just like you can set it up at the MSP level. They can have something set up so they don't have to bug you for this. It can be self-service. I hope you found this video on users and user views based on their role helpful. This has been Chris with Evolocity Labs. Have a great day.